Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix membership sites with MemberPress, complete guide step by step clearly. To fix issues with your membership site using MemberPress, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the MemberPress plugin section on the left sidebar. Check for any available updates for MemberPress and install them if necessary. Next, review your MemberPress settings by clicking on the Options tab. Ensure your payment gateways are properly configured. Go to the Memberships tab to confirm all membership levels are correctly set up. Verify that each membership has the right pricing and access rules. Check the Rules tab to ensure that all content restrictions are in place. Review your coupons section to see if any active coupons may be causing issues. If users are experiencing access problems, go to the Members tab. Search for specific users to check their membership status. Make sure the user's memberships are active and not expired. If users report login issues, navigate to the access settings. Ensure proper redirection after login and logout is set for user convenience. Next, review your site's permalink structure under the Settings tab. Save changes to refresh your permalinks, which can resolve access errors. If you're facing integration issues, check the compatibility with your theme and other plugins. Disable other plugins temporarily to identify any conflicts with MemberPress. After making these changes, conduct a thorough test. Create a test user account to ensure the entire membership process works smoothly. Test all payment methods to confirm they are functioning as expected. If you still encounter problems, consider consulting MemberPress documentation for troubleshooting tips. You can also reach out to MemberPress support for additional assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively fix issues with your membership site using MemberPress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.